Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn how to create database and table in MySQL. I am assuming that you have MySQL database already installed on your computer. You open the MySQL client, search MySQL command line, and here you enter the root password. Now I am connecting to the database. Next, I will show you how you can create a database. So this is the query to create the database. Create database and database name. I will run this query here. Create database and the database name. Our database name is learning MySQL. Press enter. So we are query OK. Row affected means this database is created. To see if the database is there, you run the query show databases and you will see the database learning MySQL is here. Now we need to connect to this database. For this we have to write the command connect, then database name, connect learning MySQL. So we connecting to the learning MySQL database. To view the tables, we can run the SQL query show tables. So there is no table here. It is giving me empty set. So connect learning MySQL is the command to connect to the database. Now I will show you how to create the table. Table name, users, and you can start with the bracket and end this with the bracket and semicolon. Now we will specify the field names here. User underscore name, which is where char 20 and user password varchar 20, user email varchar. So our SQL is ready. Now I will run this SQL in the MySQL terminal. So it is saying query OK, one row is affected. Now I will see if the database is listed there. I will run the query show tables. Now it is displaying the users table. To view the data inside this table, we can run the query select star. Since we don't have any data, it will return no record. Select star from users and you can see empty set, no data is there. Now I will show you how you can insert the data into this table. So the query SQL queries insert into users and we can specify the values. User 1, then his password is P001 and email is user001@gmail.com. Now we will run this query on the terminal. Insert into users and the values user1 password, then user email. So there is a mistake into the SQL. So the correct SQL is insert into users, values and all the values. Now I will add another user. Now second record is added. So you can see it is displaying the data from the users table. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.